The Kuki-Zo Council (KZC) has called off its planned mass rally today after a request from the central government. The rally was intended to demand a political solution to the ethnic crisis in Manipur and the creation of a separate administration or union territory for Kuki-Zo tribals. KZC Chairman Hanlanteng Thanglet and General Secretary Reverend V. L. Ngaktang in 6 Kuki-Zo majority districts was cancelled. The KZC also expressed support for the imposition of presence rule in Manipur, hoping it would lead to political settlements and peaceful coexistence. Dhubri Member of Parliament Rakibul Hussain faced sharp criticism from the Garia Maria Desi Jatia Parishad GMD-JP over alleged neglect of the district's development. During a press conference at Gauripur, GMD-JP District President Afzalur Rahman accused Hassan of diverting development funds to Lakhimpur to appease Congress leader Bhupen Bora. The group also condemned his inaction on key local issues including the controversial Dhubri Syndicate and selective law enforcement, sparking calls for accountability. The Supreme Court today criticized influencer Ranveer Alabhatia for his controversial remarks on parents and sex during the India's Got Latin stand-up show on YouTube. Justice Surya Khan along with Justice N. Kotiswar Singh condemned his statement as obscene, saying that they reflect a perverted mind. Despite this, the court granted Alabhatia interim protection from coercive actions in FIRs filed against him. Represented by Abhinav Chandrachud, son of former Chief Justice of India Chandrachud, Alabhatia was directed to deposit his passport at Thane police station and seek court permission before leaving the country. He must also cooperate in investigation in Maharashtra and Assam. The Kremlin said today that Russian President Vladimir Putin is willing to negotiate with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky if necessary. The statement came as Russian and US diplomats held talks in Saudi Arabia to discuss ending the 3-year war in Ukraine. Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov stated that while Putin is open to talks, the legal basis of any agreement must be discussed, considering questions over Zelensky's legitimacy. Indian cricketers are allowed to bring their families to just one match during the Champions Trophy 2025, India today has learned. The Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) has imposed this restriction after the team's disappointing performance in the year 2024-2025 Border Gavaskar Trophy. Players must seek prior permission from the board to bring their families to the stadium. India will play all their matches at Dubai International Stadium, facing Bangladesh, Pakistan and New Zealand in the group stage, with 2 more matches possible if they qualify for the semi-final and final.